Holy smokes. Check this out. Guys, look at this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Man, today is going to be absolutely wild. We're going to do something I've never done before. Chris is going to attempt to teach me how to stick my hand into a hole, pull out a catfish.
That's the plan. That is the plan.
Yep, my heart's already racing thinking about sticking my hand down into some murky water, not knowing what's in the hole. You hear me? Sticking my hand into a catfish's mouth, feeling him bite down, and pulling him out. Chris, he's been doing this for years, and he swears there's nothing to it, and it's easy, and even I can do it. That's saying a whole lot, guys.
And I've still got all 10 of mine, so we're good.
Will I chicken out at the last second? Or will I go through with it? There's only one way to find out, and that's for you guys to stick around and check it out. Man, let's get this done. I think you're gonna like what happens today.
Uh-oh. I think he's got a fish. Oh, yeah.
Look, I had it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you little sucker, you. Y'all see that? That is my absolute first one, and I did not get him by the mouth. He still won't open it. Look there, guys. I know he's not a monster. Let me put him on my shoulder. There you go. Look like I got a big one like it right there. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, Chris. Oh my gosh. Thank you, dude. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Good job, buddy.
Oh, get off me, sucker. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. All right.
I was just blocking.
I cannot get my hand in his mouth. He's another little one like that other one.
Okay.
And he is pissed off.
Yeah. See him? All right.
Number 2, baby. He probably ain't got a lick of skin on him. I ain't got nothing on me.
Mean little sucker.
God, look. He's bleeding in his mouth.
That's probably your blood.
It is. Heck yeah. The hole's so small.
Yeah.
Look at his eye, man. See? All right. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate you. Heck yeah, dude. Hey guys, since y'all still have all 10 of your digits, you know what I wish you'd do for me? I wish you'd reach right over there where that big subscribe button is and go and click it for me. Thanks, I really do appreciate y'all watching. Way back in there?
Yeah.
Is it deep?
Deeper than I thought it was.
Oh, yeah. Nice. What do you think that would? I'm trying to roll him around. Nice. Check that out, guys. That is slick. Good job, Chris. Nice.
Put him back.
What you think?
He's way back in there.
Did you touch him that time?
Yeah.
Is he way back in there where you can grab him? Or?
No, I just barely touched him.
That's the way it was for me.
Let's go down and see if I can open it like that.
God.
There was two in there. One swim out.
Nice. Hey, Chris is the bomb at you. I can tell Chris does this more than me. Man, I tell y'all what, we wouldn't go hungry. That is something else right there. Nice fish, man. This is definitely gonna take some practice on my part, reaching in there and just grabbing them. They move. When you reach to grab, I can feel them sometimes and they move. And then to reach and grab him to the point where you can get him to come to the hole, and then the hole's so small sometimes, you have to readjust the way you're holding him to get him through the hole, through the opening. I had my hands all over him that time. I got him, I had him that time. So it's it's low, and he is pushed as far as he can. And I was doing all I could. I got water in my nose. I was doing all I could to get my thumb in his mouth to drag him back to me. I could never get him, but I know where he's at if he'll stay there. Gloves are good because they can't bite the snot out of you, but it messes up what you're feeling too.
You can't feel as good.
I was fighting to get him that time.
You stayed down a while. I figured you was feeling it.
He tried to come out, he messed up. Oh, guys, I know this ain't the biggest ones, but I'm telling y'all, this is about as fun as a kid. Way at your call. Heck yeah. That's good stuff, man.
That is good stuff. Good job.
Heck yeah. I knew if I stuck with this up, I'd get it.
That's right.
I finally found him in there.
We'll check this little old spot right here. Maybe there'll be a little fish in it. If it is, we might give them these guys behind us. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute, Tris. Hold on. Whew.
Is he in there?
Man, look at this. Look at this. Check that out. Big fish of the day, right here.
I know it's the lunker. Man, he's teaching me how. He reach in there and grab them suckers and pull them out.
That's about what we've been getting, right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
We've caught some 5 pounds or so. A little bit bigger than that.
All right.
Yeah, if we catch another one, we'll holler at you. All right?
Thank you, sir. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Good luck to you.
All right, we got a big fish in a hole here. Been working it just a little while. Ready to see this.
You got her? Holy smokes, dude. Holy smokes.
All right.
Golly, dude, I've just seen a glimpse of her.
Patience pays off, man.
Holy smokes.
You tired? I'm tired.
Holy smokes. Check this out. Guys, look at this. Chris, what do you think that thing weighs, man?
I don't know, it's a good 20, 25 pounds.
Golly. Holy smokes, dude.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Lord. Look at the head on this sucker, guys. Golly. Holy smokes. Man, that is unreal. Golly. Chris, that is a monster, dude.
That's a good fish.
That's awesome.
You know, most people I fish your whole lifetime, won't catch a fish like this.
Dude, you just caught that with your hands.
Here we are catching them with our hands, man.
That is unreal. Big old girl.
Big girl, yep.
Chris said he's gonna let her go.
Yeah.
And that is fine by me. She has given us a fun day today watching that go down. Can I let her go, man?
Yeah, you can let her go.
Girl, thank you, thank you, thank you. Here we go. Let go.
She gets you, she got me. Poke me.
Woo! Yeah! Dude, that was awesome. Holy smokes. Guys, we've been out here today. We have caught some smaller fish that were probably really good eating. Chris told me to hang tight that we would eventually get on a good one, and boy, he put us on one. That was awesome, dude.
Got it.
What a day. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. You ready to call it a day and head to the house?
Let's get it.
Let's go, man. Well, folks, that's a wrap on one wild day of hand-grabbing catfish with my buddy Chris. Let me tell you, those fish pack a punch. Even the smaller ones can leave you with a battle scar. And don't even get me started on the leeches I had to peel off my legs afterward. This definitely is not your typical Sunday fishing trip, and it's certainly not for the faint of heart. But man, what a rush. The adrenaline, the challenge, and pure connection with nature. There's nothing quite like it. If Chris calls me up again for another noodling adventure, you better believe I'll be there with my sleeves rolled up and ready to dive in. Well, that's all for this episode, everyone. Whether you're casting lines from the bank or going full caveman and wrestling fish with your bare hands, just remember, keep those lines tight, keep a good grip on whatever's hiding in that hole, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next big adventure.